Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of stopping by, I'm Unique Dija. Today we are going to be making egg white fondant, so sit back and watch. So here is my already sieved icing sugar, 500 grams of icing sugar. Then I have separate 100 grams, 1 egg, glucose, water and CMC. Those are the ingredients we'll be using to make it. So here I'll be separating yolk from egg whites because I'm going to be using the egg whites only. So I'll be adding half teaspoon of CMC. If you want it really hard, you can add 1 teaspoon. So I'll be melting 1 tablespoon of glucose with 1 tablespoon of water. So I'll double boil it, but I will not take it to the fire because I have already boiled water. So I'll mix it till the glucose and water mix together that you cannot separate them again. You see how the texture is. So I'll pour it in my icing sugar, then put in the egg whites and mix them together. It's going to be very messy here, but don't worry, you can use icing sugar to clean your hand at the end of the day. So I'll be dusting my working surface, my clean working surface actually. Then I'll knead it on top of it. Make sure you put a lot of icing sugar on the ground so that it will not stick to your working surface. I'm using the extra 100 gram icing sugar. So you knead it, knead and knead until it is very stretchy. So you can see here, I'm still kneading it. I've not get to the texture that I want. So I've used the last batch of the icing sugar, the 100 gram. So here is my fondant. You see how stretchy it is. So the fondant is ready. See how stretchy it is, like gum. You can see. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and turn on the bell notification to get notified whenever I post a new video. See you in my